Hi.
Hi there.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday.
From Casey and Adam and the dogs, Portia and Bruno.
Birthday, Tita. Happy birthday, Tata. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, I love you. Kiss, kiss, Tata. I love you.
Happy birthday! Ray, happy birthday. Happy ako sa 60th mo na. And thank you sa lahat ng magagandang ginawa mo sa akin. Na sobrang na-appreciate ko yung friendship. Wish ko na marami pang birthdays na dumating sa'yo. Na magkakasama tayo. Sobrang thankful ako. Love you, Pei.
Happy birthday, Ninang! First off, wanna say thank you for everything that you do. Nandyan ka for our family, whatever it may be. Kung may kailangan kami, you're always one call away, which sobrang na-appreciate namin yun. I also wanna say thank you sa lahat ng blessings, sa lahat ng mga naging ninang ko. Honestly, you're the most present. Sa lahat ng ninang ko na, alam mo na, hindi naman necessarily blood related, pero feel namin na very close to our hearts ka na. Ayun, wish ko for your birthday, of course, long life and more blessings to come. More blessings as much as you have blessed others and those around you with whatever you have in any way that you can. So, ayun, thank you, Ninang. I love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ante, happy birthday! For 60 years to come. Love you.
Day to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tet Tet. Ingat, always stay safe. Enjoy your day, enjoy your birthday. Love you, I miss you. Okay, love you.